All right. So the next question is actually the previous question we solved. Find the sum of the roots of the below equation a minus 2 the whole cube, okay, plus a plus 5 the whole cube minus 2a plus 3 हम यहाँ पे ले आते हैं, okay, 2a plus 3 the whole cube is equal to 0. Now what guys, what we'll do is we'll find the first two terms of all these expansions here, okay. So a minus 2 the whole cube will be a cube minus 3 into a square into 2. Basically a minus b the whole cube ka expansion. I'm just taking the first two terms, okay. Next, a plus b the whole cube ka expansion will be a cube plus 3a square b. Stop. And this term will be 2a the whole cube plus 3a square b. Okay. Now, if you simplify, this is a cube minus 6a square. This term is a cube plus 15a square. And this term is 8a cube plus 3 is 9. 2a square will become 2a the whole square will become 4a square into 3 will become 9 into 4 36 a square. Okay. Now guys, in the question there is a minus sign here. So ये हो जाएगा minus और ये वाला term भी basically क्या हो जाएगा? This term will also be minus, right? So now this entire expression is a cube plus a cube 2a cube minus 8a cube is minus 6a cube. Okay, minus 6a square plus 15a square minus 36a square. 6 minus 5 is 9. वापस निकालेंगे तो क्या बचेगा 27. So minus 27a square. Okay, so now it is basically a third degree equation. Okay, we're starting with minus 6a cube minus 27a square. Okay, so sum of the roots basically क्या हो जाएगा? Sum of the roots will be minus coefficient of a square is minus 27 divided by coefficient of a cube minus 6. Okay, minus sign cancels. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, and of course a minus sign. Your answer is minus 4.5. Okay, just one more way of looking at it, just one more way of finding out the same answer, and that is minus 4.5.